everybody, it's Connie. I'm so glad that you joined me today. We're about to make some fabulous beef enchiladas the easy way. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. As I purchased the beef taquitos in the corn tortillas. And it's just like that video that I made with the sour cream chicken enchiladas with the flour and the chicken taquitos. But this has a whole different flavor and a whole different topping on it. So what I'm going to do, I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. And I'm just going to leave these out because I've set these out at room temperature to get them soft. And that's really all you need to do with these. Okay, so let's get started on this sauce. I have 1 can of red enchilada sauce, and I'm going to pour this in my mixing bowl over here. Now, if you want to, you can just pour this enchilada sauce over these taquitos and pop them in the oven, put some cheese on them, and you would be good to go. So we like ours with just a little bit of extra flavor. So what I'm going to add to this enchilada sauce is 1 can of diced tomatoes. And I poured about half of the juice off of here. And this is a 14 and a half ounce can. So I'm going to put the diced tomatoes in my enchilada sauce, just like that. And then I have 1 small can of green chilies. Now I'm using the Hatch green chili with the mild. And it is probably about 4 ounces. So I'm going to add that into this sauce. And we're just going to give it just a little mix. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of cumin in here. Not much. And all these spices are going to be to your taste. Everybody's different. And so I'm just going to hit it with just about a half a teaspoon of cumin. And then some onion powder, just about the same for us. And then a little bit of garlic. And then a little bit of seasoned salt. And I just use the Lowry seasoned salt here. You can use any that you'd like. It's going to do that. About a teaspoon of that probably. Okay, I'm going to give this a little taste. See if it needs anything else. It doesn't need any more spices. But what else I'm going to put in there, now you can use any kind of salsa that you would like. I've got this Herdez salsa, and it's the mild. And it's about, I would say, about a half a cup, because that's all I had left in the refrigerator. And I'm pouring that right into my sauce here. And we're going to give this little mix. And I'm going to give it another little taste to make sure that that's how we want everything. Just like this. Okay, that's perfect. Now I'm going to take my taquitos and we are going to pour this over our taquitos just like this. And you will need the 13 by 9 if you're making what I just did. You could half it if you wanted to. And we're going to pour this sauce over that. And oh my gosh, look at this. How beautiful is that? Jack cheese. And I am going to put all over my enchiladas. And I'm going to bake these probably for about, I want to say, 20 minutes until this is all nice and bubbly and warm through and through. Make sure that your taquitos are all warmed through and through. And then I'm going to come back and show you how fabulous and easy. I mean, goodness gracious, how easy was that? I'm going to show you how great they are. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, these are out of the oven. And oh, they look so yummy. I can't wait for you to try these. But first, I'm going to try them. And I'll show you what I garnish mine with. And if you're interested in the other ones, my sour cream chicken enchiladas, you don't want to miss those because they're just almost the same kind of hack. So anyway, let's take a spoon and I let it rest just for a second, but they're still oh so hot and they look so delicious. These out, there's cheese. Oh, yum. Yum, yum, yum. That fork. Look how beautiful. Okay, so here's what I do with mine. I'm going to take just a little bit of sour cream and put on top just like this. Okay, let me get a little taste here. And I'll show you what these look like inside with those taquitos and a little bit of sour cream. I'm pretty sure they're going to be really hot. They're fabulous. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. And don't forget to tell somebody you love them. Go share the love. Bye.